Okay, so let's start the class. And my name is Sai Lakshmi. So welcome to Beyond School. So we have someone here. So hi, Viansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. How are you?
Good.
Good. Excited for the class?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So today we are going to have an exciting session. So before starting that, 2, 3, 4. So what did I do? I just tore one paper from my book. Yeah. So I made equal shape cards like this from the same paper. So you can also make it like that. Okay, Viansh? Understood? Give me thumbs up. Kids, if you understand, you can give me thumbs up instead of unmuting and saying, yes, ma'am, I understood, ma'am. You can just give me thumbs up.
Ma'am, I do not
So,
understand.
Ivan, are you ready with the cards?
Ma'am, I don't understand what you said.
You can make, see, these are normal papers. Okay, you can make papers like this. I want you to make 4 papers like this. Okay, we can call it
Okay,
as cards. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna teach you some magic trick today using these cards. So, are you excited? Yes, come on. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Quickly make it. Ivan, are you ready with your cards? Thumbs up. Yes, wonderful. Next, Haim, what about you? Ready with the cards? Thumbs up. Good. Next, Amaira. Okay.
yes.
Yes, wonderful. So, my name is Sai Lakshmi, and welcome to Beyond School, everyone. I'm so excited to have to see you all here. And you know what's our topic for today? Amaira, read what is the topic for today on the screen?
The Wizard of the Frozen Kingdom.
Kingdom. Yes. So today in this class, you will be identifying the numbers and you will be finding, you will be knowing how to count and how to add. So using addition, you will be able to find some logic. Yes, to learn and create some magic tricks. Yes, Viansh, correct. That's fine. That's fine. That's good. So you can have your pencil and your water bottle also next to you. Okay, let's go into this. Wow, I'm so excited. Yeah. So what can you see here? He's saying, help him save the frozen kingdom. Okay, he is a boy. He is a wizard. Okay. What is wizard? Who will tell me? Raise your hands. What is a wizard? Yes, Viansh.
Ma'am, a wizard is someone that can do magic tricks.
Yes, wizard is a man who has magical powers, right?
Also,
So now we are, yes, tell
also
me.
a magician can do magic tricks.
Magical tricks, correct. So now we are going on an adventure. So do you observe something here? What do you observe? Raise your hand to answer. What do you observe here? Yes, Amaira.
I see the wizard is a bit sad.
Sad. And what do you observe in the background?
It's all I see.
It's all frozen. Okay. Actually, uh, we need to save the kingdom. Okay. The kingdom is fully frozen. Okay. We need to save the kingdom. Any idea how to save the kingdom? Hey, and Ivan, any idea how to save the kingdom? So we will help this wizard to save the kingdom. Okay, come on. Show me a magic trick and I will let you open the door. Oh my God, there is someone here and he's saying, show me a magic trick. Then only you will be able to open the door. Oh God. So this wizard doesn't know any magical trick. So we will help him to learn the magical tricks first, then open the door and bring back the kingdom to the normal position. Okay, ready? Excited? Yes. So our aim is to make this kingdom normal. Okay, now it is frozen. Now we should make it normal. Okay? Yeah, come on. Yes, I don't know any magic trick. So he is very worried that he doesn't know any magic trick. So we will help him teach the magical tricks. Okay. So this is an ice ball. What is this? A glass ball. Okay. So this is only the glass ball that he is having with him. The wizard is having with him. So Ivan, can you read this for me? What is given here?
Yes, teacher.
Hmm.
Select
Ivan, read. Louder. I cannot hear you.
Select one number from the list given and remember it in your
Mind. Very good. So, four of you select one number from here and remember in your mind. So, done remembering? Select one number. So, don't tell anybody. This is very secret. Okay? Don't tell anybody. This is secret. And remember the number. Keep it in your mind. Don't tell anyone. Yeah? Viansh?
Okay, ma'am.
Viansh, unmute and turn on your camera. Don't tell me, okay? Don't tell me also. Don't tell your friends also, okay? Remember the number. Yeah, so we are going to make one magical trick, okay? So, how do you, which of the following cards have the number? Don't tell me. Think, just see. You have a number, right, in your mind? Yeah, so which of these cards is having your number? Just keep it in your mind. Think, see, observe the cards. Don't tell me, it's a secret. Okay, don't tell me, it's a secret. Okay. Yeah, so A is having all these numbers, but B, see, A and B, there are some numbers which are same. See, 15 is there in A also, but 15 is there in B also. Then see, if you can see, 11 is there in A also and 11 is there in B also, right? Yes or no? So do you know how to make this card? So we need to make this type of cards to open the door using the magical trick. Understand? So we have that cards right now with me. So we need to name the cards A, B, C, D. Okay, come on, take your pencil and name the cards A, B, C, D. Hame. Yeah, very good.
Ma'am, do we also have to write the numbers?
No, don't write the numbers. I'll tell you what to do. First, just write A, B, C, D. On top only you write, kids. Kids, you write on the top here. Okay, don't write in between. In between, we need to write the numbers, right? So on top only you need to write the numbers. Yeah. Otherwise, how will you know which card is that? Or write in the back. Back side also you can write. Okay. Front part we can use it for the numbers and back part we can use it for the naming of the cards. Yeah. It's good to go. We'll go forward now quickly. Yes. Can you see some red color numbers here? Yes. Hey, what is the number that is there in card A which is colored red?
1,
1. In B?
2,
C?
4,
And D?
8.
Yes, correct, right? Now, who will tell me? Just raise your hand to answer. Why only 1, 2, 4, 8 is given? What is the pattern? Can you find any pattern here? 1, 2, 4, 8. Think. Any pattern can you find? You know what is meant by pattern? Yeah? Yes. You might have learned to skip count. counting, 3 skip counting. That is also one type of pattern, right? So here, what do you observe? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand to answer. I'll give you chance. Yes, Viansh.
Ma'am, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 8.
Wonderful. Hem, is that correct? What Viansh told is correct? 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 plus 2 is 4, which is in the 6P card. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Ivan and Amira, is that correct? Give me thumbs up. Yeah, so it's correct. So we are now almost done. We should go forward and create our own magical cards to open the door and bring back our kingdom to the normal position. Come on, let's go. Yes. Yeah, so we have cards like this. As Vian told, it's 1 plus 1, 2. Then where we add 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8. So this is the pattern. So remember this pattern, okay? Yeah. Hem, can you read the conclusion given in the bottom?
1 plus 1, 2.
No, not that. Conclusion. In the bottom, can you see conclusion? The central.
The control.
Central.
The
Central. Numbers.
Numbers
Are doubling. In the next card. Correct?
On the next card.
Correct. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So we will do a small addition now. We will do counting and addition so that we can make our own cards. Are you ready for that? Give me thumbs up. Yes? Wonderful. So what do we need to learn first? First, we need to learn counting and addition. How many of you know how counting and addition both? Raise your hand. Yes, all of you know? Ivan, do you know counting and addition? Ivan, do you know counting and addition? If you know, just raise your hand. Ivan, don't know. Ivan, don't you know addition? Yeah, you're not observing the class. You're not listening. You should listen, okay? I'm just saying, do you know counting and addition? Yeah. So let's count. So I'll ask one by one. So tell me. Amira, so how many coins are there here? Can you count?
1, 2, 3.
Yes, 1 plus 2 is 3. Is it correct? Very good. Next, Ivan, tell me this. Quickly, we have to make cards also.
Yes.
Ivan, unmute and tell me this. So how many coins are there here? Count, add and tell me.
7. 4.
You should say like this. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Let's see whether it's correct or wrong. Wow, very good. Everyone clap for each other. Come on, very good. Next, Viansh. Viansh, count this and tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Answer is 11.
11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 plus 2 plus 8. Kids, is that correct? Yes, correct. Come on, clap for each other. Very good. Next, Hem. Hem.
1
Come on.
2 plus 4 plus 8.
8.
15.
Wow, come on. 4 of you give me high five. Come on. Very good, kids. So, kids, do you observe something here? There is some pattern here. So, to do the magical trick, I think they are giving us very hard tricks so that we lose. But there is some pattern here. Observe it clearly. See the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Something is there. Observe it.
Ma'am, I I can see the pattern.
Yeah, what is that, Viansh?
It is like 1 plus in the first one.
Tell me.
And in the second one, the 1 plus 2 plus 4.
4?
It's 2 plus 2, 4.
Okay.
Equals 7.
Okay, let me ask any other observation? Apart from Viansh, any other observation? Just raise your hand. What do you find here? I think they're giving us some tricks. So we should find it out and open the door. Yeah, any? Amira? Do you observe something here?
Ma'am, I'm looking for the pattern.
Pattern, right? I'll help you out. I'll give you a hint, kids. Listen carefully, okay? See, in the first one, 1 and 2 is given. Yeah? Yeah. In the second one, you see 1, 2 and 4 is given.
Yes.
See, in the third one, 1 to 8 is given.
Yes.
In the fourth one, all 4 numbers are given.
Yes.
So when we saw the 4 cards before, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. This is what we have seen, right? Yeah, when we add everything, we got the number 15. Okay, so remember this. So this we will use in making the cards. Okay, so let's go forward quickly. So so to make the number 3, which numbers do we need to add? So you need to use only the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8. So which 2 numbers will you add to make 3? Yes, Amira.
I will add 2 and 1.
Wonderful. Next, Ivan.
Yes.
Which 2 numbers you will add to make 7?
7.
Or you can use 3 numbers also.
4 plus 2 plus 1.
Very good. Very good. Correct. Next, Viansh. Hem, you will get one more chance. Don't worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Viansh, which numbers you will add to make 10?
10. Out of all of them.
One, you'll add. Which 3 numbers you'll add? Come on, tell me.
Ma'am.
Quickly.
Ma'am, 2 and 8.
2 and 8. Okay. Very good. Next, Amira. Which numbers you will add to make 13? Come on, think. Hem, you can also think. If she's not answering, I'll ask you. Okay. So already 10 is made.
Can I take 3 numbers?
3 numbers? Yes, you can take.
I think 4.
4.
2.
2, 4 plus 2 is 8. Okay. Hem, you want to try?
8.
8. Okay.
8 plus 2
is 10. Okay. Then you need to make 3 more. See, you're using your logic. Yeah. We have different ways. You're using your logic here, which is logical thinking.
4 plus 1.
Oh, wow. Very good. Come on, let's see. 8 plus 4 plus 1. Correct. Amira and Hem both are correct. So, how to make 15? So, you can use chat box. You can use chat box for this. Let me see who will type first. You can use chat box. Let me see who will type first. Ivan, come on. Use chat box. There is a chat option, right? Go and click that. Which 4 numbers you need to add? Kids, I'm giving you a hint. You need to add 4 numbers to make 15. Yeah, let me see who will type first. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1 plus 2. Only 1 plus 2, Viansh? You need to add 4 numbers, right? Wow. Him.
Ma'am, mistakenly I did 1, 2.
Okay. Okay. So 1 plus share went. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, Viansh. No problem. You can type it again. Yes. Is this correct? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8? Yes. Very good. So this we will use for making our cards. Yeah. So come on. We need 4 card sized papers to create the cards, a notebook to calculate, and a pencil to write. Are you ready with all these things? Thumbs up. Yes, take your cards, get ready. Yes, even I am ready. So behind you can make A, B, C, D. You can write it like that. Yes, come on, write it. Written, thumbs up. A, B, C, D. Written? Okay, good. Come on, let's go forward and see what to do next. So which is the first counting number? So we have taken 4 numbers, right? So which is the first counting number? We have taken 1. So please write 1 in the A card. Please write 1 in the card number A. Card number A, you can write 1. So what to do next? So 1 plus 1 is? 1 plus 1 is?
2.
2. So where to write 2? So you need to write 2 in card number B. Yes, so 2 plus 2 is? 2 plus 2 is? 4. Come on, 4. Yes, write 4 in card number C. Next, 4 plus 4 is?
8.
8, right? 8 in card number D. So till here, understood? So after that, what we need to do? So these are the basic cards. So we call it as base cards. You can arrange all your cards next to you like this, A, B, C, D. Yeah. So let's go forward. So we need to write the numbers from 1 to 15. Okay. 1 is already there. 2 is also already there. 4 is already there and 8 is also already there. Which numbers are not there after 2? 3 is not there. So where to write 3? Any idea? Kids, where to write 3? In which card? Yes, Viansh.
Ma'am, in card number A?
Card number?
A.
No. Any idea? Samaira or Ivan? Haim, any idea? So,
Card number B?
Card number B. Okay, which 2 cards, if you add, you will get the number 3? Look into the cards. Which 2 cards, if you add, you will get?
Ma'am, both A and B, both.
Wonderful, wonderful. Both A and B, if you add, you will get card number. You will get the number 3, right? Yes. So you need to write 3 in both card number 1 and 2. Please write it. Please write in card number 1 and 3. So next number is 5.
Ma'am, we will write number 3 below 1 and 2, right?
Yeah, you can write it like this also. How I am showing in the picture. Like that also you can write. Okay. Okay. So which 2 cards if you add, you will get the number 5. Raise your hand. Which 2 cards if you add, you will get the number 5? Amaira? Amaira? Yeah.
Yes.
So which 2 cards if you add, you will get number 5?
4 plus 1.
4 plus 1. Very good, Haim and Amaira. Come on, write now 5 in both 4 card and 1 card. I mean A card and C card. Next number is 6. So who will tell me how to get 6?
3 plus 4 plus 2.
4 plus 2. Very good. Now come on, write 6 in 4 card and 2 card. Next number is 7. How to make 7, Vian? How to make 7? Which two numbers to add?
4 plus 3.
Oh God, Haim is so full active, full Josh today. Yeah, very good.
1.
Yes. So how to make 7? 1 plus 2 plus 4. We don't have the numbers other than this. We should use only the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8. So please write 7 in all 3 cards. 1 card, 2 card and 4 card. Okay. Next 8. 8 we already have. Next 9. How to make card 9? Number 9. Others not trying, only Haim is trying. Others, raise your hand. Amira, you want to try how to make number 9?
4 plus 8 plus 1, 5.
8 plus 1 also you can do. 4 plus 3 plus, yeah? Yes, Vian.
8 plus 1.
8 plus 1, very good. So how to make 10?
Ma'am, 9 plus 2. 1.
8 plus 2, very good. 8 plus 2, 10. Then how to make 11?
11.
You can use 3 numbers.
3.
8 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, we don't have the card 3. Okay, 8 plus 2 plus 1. So write 11 in 8 card, 2 card and 1 card. Okay. Next 12. How to make 12? How to make 12? Come on. 8 plus 4. We have both the cards, right? You're busy writing the cards. Okay, I understand. Yeah. Yes. Next, how to make 13? How to make 13? Yansh?
8 plus 1 plus 4.
8 plus 1 plus
4.
3. 8 plus 1 plus 4. Very good. 13. That means 13. Very good. Next, last but one, 14th. How to make 14 number? Ivan, come on, try it. Ivan, how to make 14?
8 plus 2 plus 2.
1 minute, Haim. Let Ivan try because he's not answering. We'll give chance to Ivan. Yes, okay? Yes, Ivan, come on. How to make 14? Ivan, come on, try. Unmute and tell me how to make 14. 8 plus? 8 plus 4 is 12. Very good. So we need 2 more.
2.
8 plus 4 plus 2. Very good. So, very good. Next 15. Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Very easy. Just now we did. Before only we did and I gave you hint also, right? How to make 15, Vian? Vian, Amaira. Come on, tell me.
8 plus 1 plus 4.
Wow, if you use all 4 cards, we need to use all 4 cards to get number 15. Very good. So now we are done with the cards. So check your cards. So this should be the numbers on all the cards. Okay, come on, check your cards. Yes, all these numbers should be there. And behind it, please write card number A, B, C, D. Otherwise, we'll get confused. Vian, show me your cards. Show me your card number A. Come closer. Let me pin you. Yeah. Oh, one. You have written like this. 1, 3, 5, 6. So check your card. Okay. Check your card number A whether all numbers are there or not. You should have 1, 3, 5, 9, 7, 11, 13, 15. All these numbers should be there in this card. Otherwise, we will miss that magic trick. We will not be able to open the door and will not able to save the kingdom. We should save the kingdom, right? We should save the people also. Otherwise, they will all die. The kingdom is fully frozen. Come on, we should help them. So everyone ready with the cards? Yes?
Teacher.
Ivan, ready? Very good. So come on, I am ready. Come on, let's go forward and see the magic trick. Now the cards are ready. A. So mark it A, B, C, D like this. If you have marked, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up? Yes. Very good. Come on, let's go forward. So, but this wizard doesn't know how to use them. We will help him how to use it. Yeah. So we are using logical thinking here to build the cards. Yes. So we used all the numbers to make the number 15. Right? Yeah. So Ivan, can you read the last box which is given here? Ivan, please read this bottom box. Ivan, by adding, come on, read. By adding, come on, read, child.
Name
Numbers.
1, 2, 4, 8. We can create
Any numbers
numbers up
up to 15. Yes, by adding all these numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, we can create any numbers up to 15. That's what we did just now. Okay. So if you have selected, okay, now let me ask. So initially I asked you to think about a number, right? Think about a number and don't forget, remember that number. So we'll come one by one. Hemu, what was your number? What was the number that you have chosen? Starting, I asked you to choose a number, right? From 1 to 15.
12.
So what number you have chosen? So you don't tell me what number you have chosen, but you should tell me. Okay, I will give you one hint. I also I have chosen one number. I'll tell you. I will see who will find out the number first. I have chosen a number which is in card number A. Card number A, B, C. So tell me, who can tell me what number I have chosen? Sorry, it is there in A. 1 minute. It is there only in A and B. I'll give you easy one. I have chosen a number which is there in A and B. So tell me which number I have chosen. Who will tell me first? Come on, come on. It's there only in A and B.
12.
12? Yes, Ivan, tell me.
11.
Ivan, tell me. Louder, I cannot hear. Yes, Amaira, tell me.
I think 11.
It is there only in A and B. See, 11 is there in A, B, and D also. But I have chosen a number which is there only in A and B. Very easy, very easy. Who will tell me? Come on. Only in A and B.
Ma'am, 3.
Yes, Priya. 3, correct. Very good, very good. So now we'll come one by one. Ivan, what number you have chosen? You don't tell me. You just tell me the hint, like the number is there in A, B, or C, D, or in all the numbers, in all the cards, like that you have to say. Okay? Let me see who will find. A and D? Okay, kids. Ivan's number. Come on, repeat. Ivan, your number is there in which all cards?
B and D.
C and D. Okay, come on, kids. His number is there in C and D. Come on, find out.
B.
C and D. Who will tell me? Only it is there in C and D. That's what he's saying. Who will tell me? I already got the answer. I already got.
Ma'am,
Yes,
is
we are.
it 15?
What, Amira?
12.
Ivan, is that correct? Yes, Amira, give me. Come on. Very good, very good. Now, Vian, your number. You just don't tell the number. You just tell me your
My
card.
number is in all the cards.
Oh my God. Hemu, Amira, and Ivan. Vian's number is there in all the cards.
15.
Vian, is that correct?
15, yes.
Yes. Come on, high five. Very good. Very good. Very good. I'll tell you a easy trick after this how to find out. Okay, Hem, your number is there in which all cards?
CD.
C and D. Okay.
A and D.
Sorry, A and D?
C and D.
C and D. Come on, find out. C and D. His numbers are there in only C and D. Come on, find it out. I got the answer. I got the answer. So, Hem, you can choose one of them to tell the answer.
12.
12. Very good, Ivan. Very good.
Yes.
Next. Correct. Is it correct, Hem?
Yes.
So, Hem and Ivan can give a high five to each other. Come on, Ivan and Hem. Towards the camera. Camera. Yes. Ivan, give a high five to Hem. Very good. Next, Amira, what's your number? Your numbers are in which cards?
Number is in B and C.
B and C. Let me see who will find out. B and
Is
C, B and...
it 14? No.
No, I got it. I got it. Don't choose me. Don't. Hem is saying. Hem is saying. What Hem?
6.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes, Hem and Amira. One more high five. Both of you. Very good. So can I tell you the trick how to do it? Yeah? Viansh, can I say the trick? Viansh, Ivan, Hem and Amira, can I tell you the trick? Suppose if I say my number is there in B and C. So what are the center numbers of B and C? Center numbers.
2 and 4.
2 and 4. You need to add the 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 will become 6. So just now, Amira told my numbers are there in B and C. So I added 4 and 6. Then 4 and 2, I got 6. That means her number is 6. Easy? Correct? Correct, Viansh? Now you are understanding, right? This is the magical trick. Okay, let's find out. Let's go and try to open the door and save the kingdom. Come on. Come on, come on. Yes. So as 1 is there in, so 1 and 2, when you add 1 and 2, you'll get 3. So the 3 is given in A and B. Yes, so my number was A and it's given in A and B. So my number was 3. Right? In the same way, like how Viansh and how others told, you need to add the numbers. Okay, if Vian told it's given in A, B, C, D, that means you need to add all the numbers. Okay, so here they are giving you one practice question. If your number is 10, so if your number is 10, 10 is there in how many cards? Which all cards? Ivan. B and D, very good, correct. That means if you add 8 plus 2, you will get the number 10. Very good, correct. So let's come on, go and try to open the door. So he's asking us to show him a magic trick and he will let us in. So we made the magic. So Amira, what is given in the right side? Select one number. That one, please read that box.
Select one number from the list given and remember it in your mind.
Yes, once again, select one number and remember in your mind. Okay, I have selected. Everyone please select. Don't tell anybody. Yeah. Yes. So Hem, your number is in which all cards? So Hem, your number is in which all cards? Which two cards? We will ask only Hem and we'll go for it. Okay. Come on, Hem. So I will do one thing. I'll tell you my number. So my number is in A, B, C. So who will tell me the answer? Let me see. My number is in A, B, C. All the three cards. Not fourth card. Very good. Come on, Amira. Give me a high five. Very good. Very good. Okay, one more chance. Let me see who will find. Now, Amira, you don't tell me. Let's see which boy will say. Okay?
Ma'am, is your number 7?
Yeah, Amira already told. Okay, now I'll give one more number. My number is in D and C. D for dog, C for cat. D and C. What is my number?
6.
Come on, boys.
12, ma'am, 12.
12. Very good. See, 4 plus 8 is 12, right? Like that we need to do. Okay, so we have learned the magic trick. So the door is open. Come on, let's enter inside. Come on, run. Amira is not running. Hem is not running. Ivan is not running. Run. Let's go inside. Yeah, luckily. So everyone take your hands like this. Put your hands like this. Put it back like this. Pat yourself. Wow, we have done a magic trick and we tried opening the door. Very good, kids. That's really great. Yes. So who is here? Yes. So he opened the door. Now see, can you see the kingdom? How is the kingdom now? It is now normal. Come on. Wow. Very good. Now it's normal, right? It's back to its original place. Very good. We have done a great job, kids. So what did we learn today? So we have learned number addition skills, application of formal logic to number additional skills. So what skills did we develop today? Logical skills, critical thinking and analytical thinking, right? Yes. So you have started using your IQ and CQ level. So it started boosting up, right? Very good. You have done a great job, kids. I am very happy meeting